Hi guys, I'm Aldrin Buenaflor. In this video, I'm going to show you my gas refueling station simulator, and I came to choose this ideal simulator using discrete event simulation as my project in simulation and modeling. So let's start this. This is the description of my simulator. This system is called the gas refueling station, and the main purpose of this model is to consider the work principle and observe dependencies among every gas station. Through the establishment of the gas refueling station model, we not can only make ourselves deep in the understanding of the internal relationship between the gas station. So here are my case study. This model is a gas station and a car that arrives at the station for refueling. The gas station has a limited number of fuel pumps and a fuel tank is shared between the fuel pumps. Vehicles arriving at the gas station after first request a fuel pump from the station. Once they acquired one, they try to take the desired amount of fuel from the fuel pump. They leave when they are done. The gas station fuel level is regularly monitored by gas station control. When the level drops below a certain threshold, a tank truck is called to refuel the gas station itself. So basically, this is the illustration where the discrete event simulation happens. So this is my simulator, which is the gas refueling station, then the random time and the service time and the control area where the fuel level is monitored by the fuel tank truck. So when the car 1 arrives in a random time, a car leaves after refueling. Then it followed by the car 2 arrives in a random time, following by the car 3 and the car 4. But uh, in the saddest part that the car 2, the car 3 and the car 4 has in the waiting list. So after the car 1 leaves, after the car 1 refueling, it leaves. So it followed by the car 2. Then the car 3 and the car 4 will wait until the car 2 is finished. So when the fuel level is very low, so the fuel tank truck will automatically came in where the station is connected. So let's start with my code. So I'm using Python language, which is very hard to make. So this is my code that I made. So I'm using also a package iter tools, then a package random and a package simpy. So these are the uh, this is my code. So it starts with the initialization. So random seed is equal to 42. Then gas station size is 300, where it is the liters itself. So where the threshold for calling the tank truck in percentage. Then the fuel tank size is equal to 50 liters. Then the fuel tank level is five. It is the minimum 5 liters and the maximum is 25 liters. So refueling speed is 2 seconds per liter. So the tank truck time is equal to 300, where seconds it takes the tank truck to arrive. So this is the randomly dis- distributing to uh, starting at the car 0 or a car 1 in arriving at the gas station at 87 seconds and finished refueling in 18.5 seconds. Then car 1 arriving at the gas station at 1:29 seconds and finish refueling in 19 seconds. Then we jump in the car 7. So arriving at the gas station at 891 seconds, calling a tank truck at 900 because it lowers it go it because the gas station is out of fuel now. Then calling the tank truck at 900 second. Then we choose to rely on the gas station. So we jump into the tank truck arriving at 1,200 second. Then tank truck refueling in 295 liters because the tank truck has a capacity of 3,000 out. Yes, 300 liters. Shit na. Matay, tron ko ni. Because the gas station is out of fuel now. Then calling the tank truck at 900 second. Then we choose to rely on the gas station. So we jump into the tank truck arriving at 1,200 second. Then tank truck refueling in 295 liters because the tank truck has a capacity of 3,000 out. Yes, 300 liters. So so we came in to the uses of this simulator. This system is used for simulating the particular gas station to predict the performance of every machine used system and also to compare the alternative solution by the controlling and observing the actual process. Then the benefits of this simulator is to provide a successful company or businesses in the future because you just predict the actual direction of your establishment gas refueling station. It it also may fail or not. Then the second customer are in the waiting. Uh, for example, a customer arrive at 10 o'clock, then the second customer arrive at 10:05. Then this customer are just refueling until he or she done so. The second customer are in the waiting queue. But when you just try to execute this scenario, you can just observe the use of the simulator by controlling the service time in refueling. It happens when this car one leaves out car 1 leaves after refueling, the car 2 will arrive in a gas station. So you can just uh, control the service time. For example, the service time, but I think it depends the fuel on the fuel or the how many liters that needed by the car 1. So we cannot also predict how many liters he or she needed. And lastly, it profits not only in a certain area but in other field of interest. So, thank you.